Good morning, madam.
Good morning. Yeah, give me your resume. Yeah, hi Rohit. Lohit, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Lohit, madam, and I'm from Kakinada. I'm graduated from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering in 2021. I belong to a nuclear family. We are four members. My father is an engineer in a private company. My mother is a homemaker, and my sister is doing her medicine. I'm currently living in Hyderabad.
Okay, very good. And you know Cobol?
Yeah, yes,
Yeah,
madam.
how will you rate out of 5? How you'll rate?
Okay.
Means 4, 3.
Out of five, I'll rate four, madam.
Okay, very good. And I will ask some questions.
Okay.
Basic level numbers.
Yeah, there are five kinds of level numbers: 01, 02 to 49, 66, 77, and 88. 01 is we can write 01 is known as group level or elementary level. We can write subgroups for 01, whereas 02 to 49 are subgroup levels. We can write under the group levels. 66 is known for renaming. We can use it for renaming the variable. 77 is purely elementary level, and 88 is for conditional names. 88 and 66 we can give only in the subgroup levels only.
Okay, very good. And difference between 01 and 77 level number?
Yeah, 01 is group level or elementary level. We can declare subgroups in 01 level, whereas in 77 it's a purely elementary level. We cannot declare the subgroups in 77 level number.
Okay, very good. And what is compute statement in COBOL?
Yeah, we use compute statement for arithmetic operations only. For example, for adding in arithmetic operations are nothing but addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. For example, we use compute statement like compute C is equal to A plus B. Here we are using compute statement for adding A variable and B variable, for giving C variable as a result. And we use compute variable only for with operators operation only.
Okay. And explain about move statement and types of move statements.
Yeah, move statement. Uh, Basically, move is used to move one value to the another value, and there are six types of moves. First one is simple move. Simple move is nothing but assigning one value and moving that value to a variable. It is known as simple move. Relative move. Relative move is nothing but moving two variables, like move A to B. Then a value from A variable it transfers to the value B variable. And third one is reference modification move. In reference modification move, we specify the length, position of the character and length of the character. Suppose if we give A of 1 to 4 and move A of 1 to 4 to B of 3 to 4, it moves from A variable first position 4 characters to B position the specified character length and the position. It is reference modification move. And fourth one is group move. Group move is nothing but it moves completely subgroups to the another group. If we declare G1 as one group and G2 as second group, and we'll have subgroups in G1 and G2. If we give move G1 to G2, every element in the G1 uh, every subgroup in the G1 group copies to the every subgroup element in the G2 sequentially, if sequentially. And fifth one is correspondence move. Correspondence move is nothing but uh, we'll take two groups like G1 and G2, which will have some subgroups in G1 and subgroups in G2. If the subgroup level matches only, the correspondence move works. If A element is there in subgroup only, it will A element is present in both the G1 and G2 subgroups, then only correspondence move is possible. And the sixth one is qualifier move. Qualifier move is nothing but we'll specify the subgroup level to which subgroup level it should be transferred. For example, G1 and G2, A subgroups are A, B, C, and for G2 we have subgroups of C, D, E, F. We'll specify that move A of G1 to C of G2, then D of G2, then the A subgroup level of G1 will move to the D level of the G2 level. This is qualifier move.
And can you explain the performs?
Yeah, performs. There are six types of performs: inline perform, simple inline perform, simple outline perform, perform n types, perform varying, and perform until. There are five types of performs. Yeah, and perform through.
Okay. Can you explain about the difference between if and evaluate?
Yeah, if and evaluate are both are equal. same type of statements. Those are called conditional statements. In if we can use direct we can use directly relatable operators and the conditional logical operators directly, but whereas in evaluate we can use it only in the when statements only. For example, in if it is there is a nested if statement, we need to close every if in the nested if statement, and whereas in evaluate we can write number of statements when statements, and we can give only when end evaluate. There is no giving end for every when statement.
Okay. And difference between group and corresponding move.
Yeah, group move it directly copies from G1 to G2 sequentially, whereas in correspondence move, if the subgroup level matches only, the move action is performed.
Okay. What is on-size error?
On-size error is it occurs when the truncation is occurs. When the truncation property is there, the on-size error occurs. When the picture clause length is not equal to the output length, then the truncation occurs. This is called as on-size error.
Okay. And difference between inline and outline performs.
Yeah, inline and outline performs. Like inline perform is nothing but we'll give the logic in between the procedure division and the stop run, whereas in outline perform we declare the logical para after the stop run and we'll call it into the procedure division. These are the differences between the inline and outline
Okay,
perform.
okay. And explain the infinite loop.
Infinite loop. Infinite loop is nothing but the loop never ends. There are two causes for it. First one is when doesn't give the increment decrement values properly, the infinite loop occurs. And another one is when the picture value clause doesn't match with the output length, then also the infinite loop occurs.
And root causes for that.
Increment and decrement values. Not
Okay. And means root causes. How you will declare
like
means in spool area you need to cancel.
no,
You know.
no, no.
Okay. And can you explain about the difference between 66 and 88?
Yeah, 66 level number is used for renaming the variable name, subgroup level name, and 88 is a conditional name. We both for 66 and 88 we declare in the subgroup level. We should declare in the only subgroup level only.
Okay. Explain the divisions in Cobol.
Yeah, there are four kinds of divisions in Cobol. First one is identification division. Identification division is used for locating the program. And second one is environmental division. Third one is data division. In data division, there are three kinds. One is linkage section, working storage section, and input output section. In data division only, we declare all the variables. And finally, the processor division. All the logics of the program contains in the processor division only.